Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about this ponytail right here. Recently I posted a picture on my Instagram and I had a few people asking me where did I go to get it installed, how much did it cost, and everything like that. And the truth is, this ponytail was only $10 and I actually got it from Amazon. In this video I'm just going to be showing how I install it on myself and giving a basic review of it. So if you want to know more about this ponytail, keep on watching.
So the first thing I'm doing is just going ahead and straightening the ponytail just so it's super neat. It can also be curled, just make sure that you're using 350 degrees or lower because you don't want to accidentally burn the hair because it is synthetic. So the first thing I do is just wet my hair with the spray bottle because I find that it's easier to slick your hair down if it's wet. And then I'm just brushing through it and just making sure that there's no tangles. Next, I'm using a rat tail comb to make a clean part where I want my part in my ponytail to be. And a comb works just as fine, but if you want a super clean line, I recommend a rat tail. Then I'm just going in with my Eco Styler gel to calm down any flyaways and make my hair slick down before I actually go ahead and swoop it down with the brush. After I put my hair in a ponytail, I like to go in with this little tool I got from the beauty supply store, and I'll try to link a similar one in the description below. But basically it has thicker bristles than a toothbrush would at the end, and it also has a little comb that just makes it easier to perfect your hairstyles and also do your edges. After I get everything the way I want it, I like to go ahead and go in with hairspray just to hold and secure everything down, and the hairspray I'm using is the Suave Max Hold. The next product I'm using is the Aussie Instant Freeze Gel so that when I braid my hair, all the hairs stick together and form a neat bun. The ponytail is 26 inches in length, and the color that I got is darkest brown. It has a clip on the end that you just stick into your hair, as well as a Velcro strap that you wrap around. And as far as the color goes for this ponytail, I was actually really surprised how well it matches my natural hair color. And it just looks so cute. Like, I really think that it matches it really well. It was like really surprising to me. So as you can see, I press the clip into my bun and then I wrap the piece of hair around to connect the pieces of Velcro together. And you want to do that tightly because you want to completely cover around the bun. So once you successfully wrap it all the way around, you want to go ahead and just use some bobby pins just to secure that hair into place. Once the ponytail is to my liking, I like to go back in with a little tool and just make sure that all the little hairs are laying flat and that everything is just in place. All in all, I really like this ponytail, and the overall quality surprised me a lot because it is only $10 and it is from Amazon, and I just wasn't expecting it to be this cute and be this easy to install. I really recommend it to beginners because it was my first ponytail and I really found it easy to just figure it out and like get it to my liking. So yeah. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys would try it or have tried this ponytail and what you think about it. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.